Hello, welcome to AZIOT. This product is called AZIOT Single Phase VAP Protector. In this box, you will be getting 63 amperes, single phase VAP protector, user manual and a customer support card. A compact, all-in-one protection device that safeguards appliances from overvoltage, undervoltage and overcurrent faults. It features customizable protection settings, real-time voltage and current monitoring, and automatic power restoration once conditions return to normal. Designed for easy day-and-rail installation, the VAP Protector delivers reliable, long-term electrical safety for homes, offices, and industrial applications. Turn off the main power supply before installation. Mount the AZIOT Single Phase VAP Protector on the DIN rail inside your distribution board. Connect the neutral input wire into N terminal and connect the live input wire into L terminal. Connect the neutral output wire into N terminal and connect the live output wire into L terminal. Switch the power back on.